Ozark Geek here. I'm up on the roof of the RV working on a antenna project, if you will. And I had mentioned to some others that I'm in the middle of reworking the antennas. And here I've got a Comet CX-333 vertical antenna, for those that want to know. I believe it's a tri-beam antenna, or a tri-band. Please bear with the noise of the air conditioner as I go by. Here is a 440 beam. I'll put the model number in the link. It's made by DX Engineering. This antenna here is a 220 megahertz beam, also made by DX Engineer. And the other one here, which will go down below at this point, is a high gain 2 meter beam. This is all going to go up hopefully tomorrow, weather willing, on top of a 43-foot push-up mast. Right now it's only up about 15 feet, 20 feet. I've got a rotor up here so that I can turn the beams around. And this is a makeshift gin pole. Working on it. And the idea is it is tied up to the antenna below the vertical. And either with my wife's help or a brother, if I can get him over here, the idea is to pull this up straight. This is going to go up higher yet. It's going to probably go up at least another 10 foot higher. And the idea is to pull this up to raise the height so that the base of the mast slides inside the mount for the rotor. And then all this will be guyed off with, these are steel, what do you want to call them? Steel ropes. So that's going to guide it off in at least 6 places to keep it stable for the wind. And I have worked on replacing all of the coax, figuring this is all new equipment. I might as well replace the coax while it goes up and see how that works. I've got lightning suppressors at the bottom, lightning arresters I guess they're called. I'm going to put all new, they're little tiny round filaments that go inside each one of them for surge protection. So once I get this all up, I'm going to make sure it's all grounded and the lightning arresters or surge suppressors are wired, and then it'll get wired into the trailer to the radios. So I'll make another step over here once more carefully. And I got to step real gingerly here. That is a 220 beam that I've had that just not enough gain on it that I've used. Down on the ground that you see right there, that's another 440 beam. I bought that brand new and I guess I was too excited to buy it, not excited enough to read the specs. But that's a 420 to 440 megahertz antenna. Not going to make it up into the 440 band for repeater work. So I replaced that with this one here, which will work 420 to 450, and through tuning adjustments on the end, I actually got it working up into the 457 range. So I should be able to work FRS. Also down on the ground there is an old 3-band HF antenna. And currently I'm working here you see the part unit and a wire for my HF long wire antenna that goes out across there, and then I've also got on the other side of the trees there an NVIS antenna that I've showed in previous videos. Anyway, this is what I'm working on, and as soon as I get her done, where all the cables are replaced and ready to go up, I will hoist this puppy up and get started with it. So I wanted to get out here and get a little bit of footage done before the rain cloud settled in for the evening. I got a 70% chance of rain, so I'm going to get done and get off the roof. Got any questions? Please comment below. Like if you hit the like button if you like it, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Again, Ozark Geek out.